HITOP is a professional supplier of XCMG machinery since 2008. We always load and send machines in the most professional way. Provide a comprehensive range of construction equipment. Focus on one-stop solutions with reasonable prices. Meet the highest possible standards of quality and durability. We have exported to most countries around the world. Exporting in bulk gives us more advantageous prices. After the production is completed, we will show the customer the detailed photos and videos of the ordered equipment. We record every loading of a container, giving our customers peace of mind as if they were there. We always provide customers with more options for our products. HITOP Machinery is committed to being the best choice for our customers.